When creating local messages, you must 1. Create a local message file. 2. Create a local message display. Use the Local Messages editor to create message that will appear in a local message display and to specify their trigger values. You can define up to 10,000 messages in each message file. Trigger values must be positive or negative integers, cannot be zero, do not need to be consecutive, but they must be unique for each message, cannot be blank. You can use the same local message file for multiple local message displays. When creating local messages, keep the following in mind. Messages can be up to 256 characters long. The new line character, \n, may be used to specify that the message continues on to the next line after the character. Strings may be added to the message. When adding strings to a message, right-click the message column and then click Edit String to open the String Edit dialog box. In the String Edit dialog box, you can type message strings, insert, and edit embedded variables. For example, you can embed a tag value and a time variable in a local message, so when the local message is shown at runtime, it will show the tag's current value and the current time. The variable will update whenever the tag's value and the time change. A local message display provides ongoing information on the status of devices and processes. For example, you might put a local message display object in your display to describe the status of a device whose condition cannot be shown graphically with complete accuracy. At runtime, the local message display shows one message at a time from the message file you assign to the display. You can use multiple local message display objects in a display and link each object to a different local message file. The Local Message Display Properties dialog box allows you to configure how the local message display appears and behaves at runtime. This dialog box can be accessed from the Advanced submenu of the Objects menu. The Local Message Display Properties dialog box has two tabs. The General tab is used for configuring the appearance of the display and assigning the local message file. The Connections tab is used for assigning a tag or expression to the value control. At runtime, when a message's trigger value matches the value control, the local message display object shows the associated message. Read the information on the screen and select the correct option for each item in the list.